Hello, my name is Rangga Almahendra from Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas Gadjah Mada, Indonesia. Welcome to Flash Course, free online course that can be accessed anytime and anywhere. Because we all believe that education is the foundations of the future. And on this episode, we will discuss about venture capital. Maybe you ever read the news about e-commerce giants from Indonesia, Tokopedia just received additional capital up to 1.9 billion rupiah. And also, online transportation company Gojek, they get additional fund of 13.3 billion rupiah. Wow! We all know that this company do not have physical asset, do not have brick and mortar shops, and do not have all merchandise goods. They also don't have all motorcycles to deliver the foods order. So where do they get the fund to finance their business? The answer is, of course, venture capital. So what is venture capital? So we will discuss it after this. Venture capital funds are entities that exist to manage a large amount of money. They will put that money in a startup firms, usually given to a new growing companies, and then monitor the companies to protect the investment until the value of the company reach its peak. So, as you can see here, venture capital firms are businesses whose mission is to make money by investing in other rapidly growing businesses. Venture capitalists make investment in emerging company, the most risky investment class known. Because venture capitals deal with risky investment, they have to make sure that they understand the chosen industry and technology inside and out. So, venture capital makes money is when the company is sold through an initial public offering or IPO, or it could be also acquired by another company through merger or acquisitions, or sold to any private equity firm. Venture capital investments can help a startup company attain much larger milestone in a much quicker time frame. Companies that take venture capital usually will get more than money. They also will get the expertise of the venture capitalist firms and venture capitalist network of advisor and business people. There are three financing schemes of venture capital funds. First, we call it as equity financings, in which venture capitalists will give startup companies money in exchange for equity in the company. Second is what we call as a semi-equity financing, or participations of indirect investment, usually through bond purchase or loan arrangements by a startup company. Third is profit-sharing system, which is no investment for equity involved. Usually is more suitable for small-medium enterprise with no clear legal entity. So how does venture capital process works? Venture capital work cycle consists of four major activities. First is a fundraising. At the beginning of the cycle, the venture capital firms meet with potential limited partners to get them to invest their money in their fund. These limited partners could be investor from pension funds, insurance company, education endowment fund, banking consortium, or just individual investor who currently looking for high growing investment. After fundraising, then the cycle enters the second stage, which is investing. On this stage, venture capital company will search for new startup companies who have a potential to give an extraordinary returns through an extraordinary business model. The next stage is the stage of managing. After the company is given investment and become part of the portfolio, the venture capital firms proceeds to manage the company. These venture capital firms will actively participate on the board of the company, works with the CEO, and makes business connections to make sure that the company is making good business decisions. Of course, the purpose is to ensure their investment continues to grow. When the value of the company reaches its peak value, then we have the most important moment for this company, which is the last stage, harvesting. So harvesting activities can be done through various ways. For example, sale or share to the bigger venture capital, merger or acquisition with other company, or initial public offering. As all the companies in the portfolio are sold, the money is returned to the original investor or limited partners who entrusted their cash to the venture capital, and the venture capital fund cycle close. Sir, question? Yeah, if I have a catfish firm, can it also be funded by venture capital firm? No. Venture capital company will not be interested to fund that kind of business. Venture capital firms are only interested with new startup having disruptive innovations. What is disruptive innovation? Is an innovation that creates a new market and eventually disrupt an existing market and potentially will replace established market leading firms and products. It's clear that catfish farm doesn't fit this category, but if you can do the research to make sure that your catfish could be bigger than a dolphin in less than 1 week, then it might be possible for a venture capital company to invest in your business. So not only catfish farm, your traditional coffee house, clothing store, restaurant, and laundry business, they don't make sense as venture capital-backed companies. Venture capital tend to invest in companies built around software, drug development, medical device, engineering device, and other cutting-edge technologies that are considered disruptive to the current market. So what is more important is, of course, your business model has a high potential to grow and also have a great scalability, which means the scale is easily expandable. Maybe you ever heard about Jack Ma's story, one of the richest persons in the world, the founder of Alibaba. At first, he was just an English lecturer at the local university. Then he began to see new trends in the technology and have an idea to create e-commerce online platforms named Alibaba, which is in 1999 only have 18 employees. Then in 2000s, Alibaba received a financial investment from venture capitalist SoftBank up to $20 million. And finally, at 2014, Alibaba filed a record-breaking IPO, or initial public offerings, worth $150 billion. Wow! And put him to become one of the richest men in this planet. Question! So, what we can do to get fund from the venture capital firm? First, we should have a business idea that creates a disruptive innovation. Second, this business idea must have a great market growth capacity and has the ability to be the leader in the sector. Third, the business should be growing really fast, having potential strategic buyers or initial public offering for 10 to 30 times respectively returns in 3 to 7 years. Fourth, a management team that has the track record and experience to execute a big idea in what will be a very big market. So, for you who have a brilliant and crazy business idea, don't just wondering and have a dream. It's time to wake up, make a great business plan and promote your ideas to any potential investor. If you're lucky, maybe you will become the next Jack Ma. Thank you for watching Flash Course. This program is made with the help of all of these creative and professional people who work here. And if you want to help keep this Flash Course free for everyone forever, please help to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. My name is Rangga Almahendra. See you till the next episode.